Domestic life is hard if domestic life got ruined for you growing up. What I mean by that, growing up with my parents, who were in this really gross, constant power, their whole marriage was this blamey, shamey power struggle. They would blame and shame each other and sabotage each other about doing the dishes, managing the kids, paying the bills, whatever, daily sabotaging, daily misery. And growing up in that, if you grew up in the stuff like that too, it models this misery that comes with partnerships and domestic life. And if you struggle with that now in your roommate situations, living with a lover, living with a partner, the house, the car, the kids, husbands, wives, partnerships, whatever, you're probably going to experience some level of little bit of triggering. And we need to separate to find our inner adult, like most of these videos, and start to separate from what it was like growing up and how it's different, to show our inner child about how it's different now. Is it safer? Is it cleaner? Does it work better? Do you like the people better?